Welcome back to Stylish Cars World. Today we're diving into the fascinating world of the Nissan Juke. This compact SUV has captured the hearts of many with its unique design and spirited performance. Let's explore everything that makes the Juke a standout choice. First up, let's talk about the exterior. The Nissan Juke has a design that's nothing short of polarizing. Some love it, others not so much, but you can't deny its distinctiveness. Unique front end. The Juke features those iconic boomerang-shaped headlights and a bold grille that sets the tone for its sporty character. Curves and lines, the aggressive stance, high wheel arches, and flowing lines give it a muscular look. Color options. It comes in a variety of vibrant colors. We'll highlight some popular choices and how they enhance the car's personality. Let's take a closer look at the Juke's dimensions. It's compact, making it perfect for city driving while still offering a robust feel. Now, let's step inside. The Juke's interior combines sportiness with comfort. Driver-focused cockpit. The layout is intuitive, with controls easily accessible. Stereo quality. We'll discuss the quality of materials used through emphasizing the blend of style and practicality. Seating comfort. The seats provide good support, and there's enough room for both front and rear passengers. Let's not forget the tech features. The Juke comes equipped with infotainment system. We'll show how the touchscreen works and discuss smartphone integration options. Audio system. Sound quality is important for many drivers. We'll touch on the available audio options. Let's move on to performance. The Nissan Juke offers a variety of engine options known for their spirited driving experience. Engine choices. Will break down the available engines, focusing on the turbocharged options that deliver a fun ride. Handling and ride quality. Will discuss how the Juke handles on both city streets and highways, showcasing its agility and responsiveness. And responsiveness. To illustrate this, let's take it for a test drive. We'll capture some real-time driving footage showing how the Juke performs in various scenarios. Safety is crucial for any vehicle. The Juke comes with several features aimed at protecting you and your passengers. Driver assistance systems. Will highlight systems like forward collision warning, lane departure warning, and others. Crash test ratings. Will take a look at how the Juke performed in crash tests and what that means for potential bears. Now, let's hear from some Juke owners. We've gathered testimonials that shed light on their experiences. What they love. Owners will share what they appreciate most about the Juke, from its quirky design to driving enjoyment. Challenges faced. It's important to discuss any downsides, so we'll cover some common concerns among owners. One of the great aspects of the Nissan Juke is its customization potential. Many owners enjoy personalizing their vehicles. Popular mods. Will showcase popular modifications like body kits, custom paint jobs, and performance upgrades. Community influence. The Juke has a strong enthusiast community, and we'll touch on how they influence customization trends. Keeping your Juke in top shape is vital. Here are some maintenance tips. Regular service. Will discuss the importance of oil changes and regular checkups. DIY tips. For those who like to get hands-on, we'll share some simple DIY maintenance tips to help keep costs down. As we wrap up our deep dive into the Nissan Juke, let's summarize the key takeaways. Stylish and unique design. The Juke stands out in a crowded market. Fun to drive. With its responsive handling and lively engines, it's a joy on the road. Practical features. It offers a comfortable interior packed with tech. Now we want to hear from you. What do you think about the Nissan Juke? Is it a car you would consider? Leave your thoughts in the comments below. Thank you for watching Stylish Cars World. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more stylish car content. Until next time, drive safe and stay stylish.